You know the public face of the US military. But beneath the surface, protected by billions in the black budget, lies the true future of war. These are the systems the Pentagon keeps secret, weapons that make the F-35 look like a relic. We're counting down the 5 deadliest weapons you didn't know existed. Starting at number 5, the Silent Deep Diver. This is the next generation of Special Forces deployment, an undetectable insertion platform. Imagine a hull made of non-magnetic materials and acoustic dampening, making it utterly invisible to all known sonar systems. The key is ultra-quiet propulsion. This allows elite operators to be dropped off deep behind enemy lines, closer than ever before. It takes a well-defended coastline and turns it into a vulnerable entry point, giving the Pentagon total stealth supremacy beneath the waves. But you can't stop what you can't see. And you certainly can't stop an attack that moves at the speed of light. At number 4, we deal with a weapon that creates silence by causing a total electronic blackout. The directed energy blackout is driven by high-power microwave or HPM weapons. This system doesn't explode. It hits an enemy facility with a highly focused burst of microwave energy. The effect? Total electronic paralysis. It bypasses conventional defenses and fries every unshielded computer, guidance system, radar, and communication network in its blast radius. It is the ultimate electronic warfare weapon, capable of collapsing an adversary's military command structure silently and instantaneously. Destroying hardware is one thing, but what if the weapon doesn't just destroy the machines, but uses the enemy's own network against them? Our number 3 weapon is an unseen assassin, the Cyber Ghost. The Cyber Ghost is a top-tier cyber weapon, designed not for simple espionage, but for deep, long-term penetration of critical national infrastructure. It's believed to be a self-propagating program capable of lying dormant within enemy systems for years. When activated, it can remotely shut down a nation's power grid, financial trading systems, military logistics networks, or oil pipelines and units. It creates instant, nationwide chaos without firing a single missile, proving that the most lethal weapon in the 21st century can be just a few lines of code.
If the Cyber Ghost attacks the brain, the next weapon simply annihilates the target before it can even blink. At number 2, the terrifying reality of hypersonic global strike.
Hypersonic means sustained flight at Mach 5 or higher, a mile a second. But the classified edge isn't just speed, it's the hypersonic glide vehicle's maneuverability. Unlike traditional missiles, it glides, dips, and weaves through the atmosphere, making interception by all current missile defense systems effectively impossible. Reports suggest the US is pursuing systems capable of hitting any point on the globe within 1 hour. This speed fundamentally compresses decision time for adversaries. Speed, stealth, energy, all lethal, but none of them are the true number 1. Because the deadliest weapon isn't a platform with fire, it's the brain that flawlessly controls them all. At number 1, the AI Commander. This is the classified, autonomous core of the Pentagon's warfighting future. It's a cutting-edge artificial intelligence framework. It processes vast amounts of sensor data and makes tactical decisions. Target selection, resource allocation, electronic warfare management at superhuman speed. It coordinates a swarm of hundreds of weapons or dictates the firing solution for hypersonic missiles in the space of a heartbeat. It eliminates human delay, human error, and human emotion. The AI Commander is the ultimate weapon because it ensures all other systems are deployed with maximum, flawless, and unstoppable effect. These 5 systems confirm that the true future of warfare is hidden deep in the classified realm. The advantage lies not in firepower, but in invisibility, speed, and intelligence. Which weapon do you think is the most terrifying? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more dives into the world of black budget technology.